Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wished you had superpowers? The ability to fly, heal instantly, or even turn invisible? Well, while we humans can only dream of such abilities, some animals already possess them. Nature has granted certain creatures astonishing abilities that seem straight out of a comic book. From animals that can survive extreme conditions to those with mind-blowing regenerative powers, you won't believe what these creatures can do. Get ready to be amazed as we count down the top 10 animals with superpowers you won't believe exist. 10. The Immortal Jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, Eternal Youth. Imagine never aging and having the ability to live forever. This is not science fiction, but the reality of a tiny marine creature known as the Immortal Jellyfish. Unlike other organisms that experience inevitable aging and death, Turritopsis dohrnii has discovered nature's ultimate life hack. When faced with physical harm, environmental stress, or simply old age, this jellyfish has the astonishing ability to revert its cells back to their earliest stage, essentially resetting its biological clock and starting life anew. This process, known as transdifferentiation, allows it to cycle between its adult and juvenile forms indefinitely, effectively rendering it biologically immortal. 9. The Axolotl, the Regeneration Master. Imagine being able to regrow a lost limb, heal a damaged heart, or even restore parts of your brain. This is precisely what the axolotl, a unique species of salamander native to Mexico, can do. Unlike humans and most animals, which form scar tissue after an injury, the axolotl regenerates body parts with near-perfect accuracy, including limbs, the spinal cord, and even sections of the brain. Scientists are particularly fascinated by the axolotl's regenerative properties and are actively researching its genetic makeup to understand how such regeneration could be applied to human medicine. If science could harness the axolotl's regenerative superpower, we might one day see advancements in healing severe injuries, regrowing human organs, or even reversing paralysis. 8. The Mantis shrimp, the punch of a superhero. The mantis shrimp may be small, but it packs a punch that defies belief. With club-like appendages, these marine creatures strike with the speed of a bullet, hitting their prey with a force of over 1,500 newtons. That's fast enough to break glass, crack crab shells, and generate shockwaves capable of stunning or even killing prey instantly. The punch is so rapid that it briefly causes water to boil, producing tiny plasma explosions in a phenomenon known as cavitation. But the mantis shrimp's superpowers don't stop there. Its eyes are some of the most complex in the animal kingdom, capable of detecting a spectrum of colors far beyond human vision, including ultraviolet and polarized light. Scientists believe studying the mantis shrimp's vision could lead to advancements in optical technology, enhancing cameras, military surveillance, and even early cancer detection. 7. The Tardigrade, the Indestructible creature. The tardigrade, also known as the water bear, is perhaps the toughest organism on Earth. Despite being only about 0.5 millimeters in size, this microscopic marvel can survive conditions that would obliterate most life forms. Tardigrades have been exposed to extreme temperatures, ranging from absolute zero to over 300 degrees Fahrenheit. They can survive intense radiation, total dehydration, and even the vacuum of space. When faced with extreme conditions, tardigrades enter a hibernation-like state called cryptobiosis, in which they lose nearly all their water content and effectively shut down their metabolism until conditions improve. 6. The Octopus, the master of disguise. When it comes to camouflage, no creature is more skilled than the octopus. With specialized skin cells called chromatophores, an octopus can change its color, pattern, and even texture to blend seamlessly into its surroundings. The mimic octopus takes this ability to the next level by imitating the appearance and movement of other marine creatures, such as venomous lionfish and sea snakes, to deter predators. But octopuses are not just masters of disguise. They are also incredibly intelligent. They have been observed solving complex puzzles, using tools, and even escaping enclosures with Houdini-like precision. Their neurological structure is unique, with the majority of their neurons located in their arms, allowing them to think and react independently from their central brain. 5. The electric eel, the living battery. The electric eel possesses one of the most shocking abilities in the animal kingdom. Using specialized electric organs, this aquatic predator can generate bursts of electricity reaching up to 600 volts, enough to stun prey, deter predators, and navigate murky waters. The electric eel can also modulate its electrical discharges, using weaker pulses to sense its surroundings and stronger shocks to incapacitate its targets. Scientists are studying the eel's bioelectric capabilities to explore potential applications in medical technology, including the development of implantable biobatteries and new energy sources inspired by nature. 4. The pistol shrimp, the sonic blaster. The pistol shrimp, despite its small size, possesses an extraordinary weapon. By snapping its oversized claws at lightning speed, it creates a high-pressure bubble that bursts with a deafening pop, reaching sound levels of up to 210 decibels, louder than a gunshot. The shockwave from this explosion stuns or even kills nearby prey. The collapsing bubble also generates temperatures briefly as hot as the sun's surface, making this tiny shrimp one of the most powerful creatures in the ocean. Researchers believe the pistol shrimp's unique ability could lead to advancements in underwater sonar and acoustic technology. 3. The Bombardier beetle, nature's flamethrower. The Bombardier beetle has one of the most explosive defense mechanisms in the insect world. When threatened, it releases a boiling hot chemical spray from its abdomen, creating a rapid burst of steam and toxins that repels predators. This chemical reaction is so powerful that it produces audible pops and can be deployed multiple times. Scientists studying the Bombardier beetle's unique biochemical system are exploring its applications in defense technology, self-cleaning materials, and even medical treatments. 2. The glass frog, the invisible amphibian. The glass frog is nature's answer to invisibility. With translucent skin that reveals its internal organs, this amphibian blends seamlessly with its leafy habitat, making it almost impossible for predators to detect. This remarkable camouflage has fascinated scientists, who are investigating how the frog's transparency could inspire innovations in medical imaging and stealth technology. 1. The hairy frog, the Wolverine frog. Topping the list is the hairy frog, also known as the horror frog. This creature possesses a defense mechanism straight out of a comic book. It breaks its own bones to create sharp, retractable claws. When threatened, the frog forces these bone fragments through its skin, forming lethal weapons to fend off predators. Once the danger is past, the claws retract and the skin heals over time. This bizarre adaptation makes the hairy frog one of the most terrifying and fascinating creatures in nature, proving that evolution can produce some truly mind-blowing defense strategies. And there you have it, -10 incredible animals with superpowers that sound too amazing to be real. Nature is full of jaw-dropping surprises, and these creatures prove that evolution can create abilities far beyond our imagination. Which of these superpowers would you want for yourself? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts about the world we live in. See you in the next video.